Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. The for loop in Python is used to iterate over a sequence, such as a list, tuple, dictionary, string, etc., or any iterable object. It executes a block of code repeatedly for each element in the sequence until the sequence is exhausted. In the case of a list with length n, the for loop will iterate through the list elements n times. Here's a breakdown of how the for loop works in Python using a list. Where? Let's create an example to demonstrate a for loop iterating through a list with a length of n. This code snippet demonstrates how the for loop iterates through the list and prints each element. The loop runs n times, where n is the length of the list. The for loop can be used to perform various operations like accessing elements, performing calculations, modifying elements, or executing any specific action for each element in the list. It's a powerful tool for iterating over collections in Python. ChatGPT. Certainly. Let's go through the basics of a for loop in Python. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence, that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, or a string. The loop will execute a block of code once for each item in the sequence. Let's break down the structure of a for loop in Python. Now, let's consider a practical example with a list and the variable n representing the length of the list. In this example, if you want to use the length of the list, n, in the loop, you can use the range function. Here's an example. In this example, this is a basic overview of how for loops work in Python, and it should give you a good starting point for using them in your programs. Remember that indentation is crucial in Python. The indented block of code is what gets executed in each iteration of the loop. ChatGPT.